Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create custom maps in Gather. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, open your workspace and go to the Customize panel. Next, click the Map tab. This section allows you to manage and customize the layout of your virtual office. At the top, you can see the current map template that your workspace is using. Below that, you'll find the map size option. You can choose a map size that best fits your team and workspace requirements. Next, you'll see different map themes, including skyscraper, courtyard, cozy, and industrial. Each theme provides a different style and layout for your virtual office. Select the theme you want to use. The preview will update so you can see how the workspace will look. If you want to make more detailed changes, click Edit in MapMaker. This opens Gather's map editor. Inside the MapMaker, you can build your own workspace by adding walls, floors, furniture, decorations, meeting rooms, and many other objects. You can move, replace, or remove items at any time until the map looks exactly the way you want. When you're happy with your design, save your changes. Your customized map will then be available for everyone who joins your Gather workspace. Creating a custom map is a great way to personalize your virtual office and build a workspace that matches your team's needs. That's how you can create custom maps in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more Gather tutorials and helpful technology guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.